Hi everyone, welcome back to PixelShouters. Today, we're diving into the art of staging a bedroom. Whether you're selling your home or just want to create a relaxing retreat, I've got the tips to transform your bedroom into a dreamy, inviting space. Let's get started. First things first, declutter. Remove any unnecessary items like personal photos, extra furniture, or clutter on nightstands. A clean, spacious look helps buyers or guests visualize themselves in the space. Dust, vacuum, and wipe down surfaces for a polished look. Neutral colors are your best friend when staging. Think whites, creams, or light grays. They create a calming atmosphere and appeal to most people. Layer your bed with crisp sheets, a cozy duvet, and throw pillows. Add a soft blanket for that hotel-like vibe. Good lighting is key. Use a mix of natural light, bedside lamps, and soft overhead lighting to make the room feel warm and welcoming. Make the bed the star of the room by centering it and ensuring it looks inviting. Add subtle decor like a tray with a book and a small vase of flowers. Take a look at the before image. Cluttered and undefined, the room feels cramped and chaotic. Now, see the after image, with clear zones for sleeping, working, and relaxing. The space feels larger, more organized, and inviting, showcasing its full potential. Less is more when staging. A simple plant, a stylish mirror, or a single piece of art above the bed can make all the difference. For the finishing touches, fluff your pillows, straighten the bedding, and maybe even spray a light linen mist for a fresh scent. And there you have it. A perfectly staged bedroom ready to impress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home staging and design tips.